These are the elevators of the Chase Bank building in downtown Sarasota, Florida. These have EPCO fixtures and GL indicators. I'm guessing either Dover or General, but automatic doors being crazy. This one's padding. Florida looks like modernized, right up to 7. JL, Jet Plus, RBW, or Schindler actually. Yeah, those are definitely General. These are Hydro, 7 floors. I wonder if it was just slap them on the original control. I'm not sure though. Red LED indicator and buttons. Here at 7. This floor's gonna be construction. It looks like we'll go back down to 1. I think these had EPCO originally, but it looks like Florida elevator. That's, or Schindler, someone modernized it. 988 phone. That's an older Schindler logo though. Basic head elevator. This obviously doubles as a service elevator. Original ceiling, it looks like. Rather low for a service elevator.